ISTQB Advanced Level Test Analyst Question 66. A company has set up an employee wellness program and combined with the premium for health insurance. The full standard premium for a health insurance policy is $400. The program have the following rules. 1. Employees who make a pledge on the honor system that they don't smoke or that they take a stop smoking class and have a BMI below 30 get 10% of their contribution toward the full standard insurance premium. 2. Employees who fill a health risk assessment with more health details will be rewarded with a 25 reduction in premium. 3. Employees who participate in an early health control at the company A. Receive a 50 reduction in their premium for having a BMI of 27.5 or less, and a 25 reduction for having a BMI below 30. B. If they are non-smokers, they receive an additional 50 reduction in their premium, and those that have joined a stop smoking class receive a 25 reduction. Smokers pay an additional premium of 75. How many test cases are needed to achieve 100% test coverage of equivalence partitions for the input parameters? Then testing this specification by applying the equivalence partitioning test design technique. And what will be the maximum and minimum resulting premium? A. 3 test cases and a maximum premium of 475 and minimum premium of 235. B. 6 test cases and a maximum premium of 475 and minimum premium of 235. C. 3 test cases and a maximum premium of 400 and minimum premium of 275. D. 4 test cases and a maximum premium of 400 and minimum premium of 275.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. You can click on pause to choose your own answer before you see the correct answer on the screen.
First of all, let's calculate the minimum and maximum premium. Conditions for maximum premium is 1. An employee not signing the pledge of honor. No. 2. Not filling out the detailed assessment. No. 3. Being a smoker and having a BMI of 30 or more. 75. Maximum premium is 400 plus 75 equals 475. Conditions for minimum premium is 1. An employee signing the pledge of honor. 40. 2. Filling out the detailed assessment. 25. 3. Being a non-smoker. 50. 4. Having a low BMI of 27.5. 50. Minimum premium is 400 minus 40 minus 25 minus 50 minus 50 equals 235. According to our calculations, we can consider answers C and D as incorrect. Pay attention, we should cover equivalence partitions of the input parameters. Let's define our equivalence partitions for input parameters. Identify input parameters and their equivalence classes. Then cover each class at least once with the fewest test by combining classes across parameters. 1. Pledge. Yes, no. 2. Health risk assessment. Yes, no. 3. Early health control. Yes, no. 3.1. Smoking status. Smoker, non-smoker, stop smoking. 3.2. BMI equal or less 27.5. 27.5 to 30 not inclusive. More or equal 30. Pay attention. We have only 3 equivalence partitions for input parameters, according to requirements. You can cover all classes in 3 tests by choosing combinations that collectively hit every class at least once. Smoking status and BMI are subclasses for the early health control equivalence partition. It's a key point for this question. Thus, correct answer is A, and answer B is incorrect. My recommendation. This question is very difficult. Note that there are 2 key points here. 1. Determine the equivalence classes for the input parameters. I emphasize for the input parameters, not output. 2. Correctly calculate the maximum and minimum premium. If you get such kinds of questions on the exam, I recommend leave it for the end of the exam, as it makes take you a lot of time to understand the conditions and the solution. In real life, in case of such requirements, it is better to use decision table testing than equivalence partitioning. Explanation. Let's look at the section 3.2.1 equivalence partitioning in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that partitioning is used to create equivalence partitions, often called equivalence classes, which are created for sets of values that are required to be processed in the same manner. Also, I suggest to figure out this section on your own. I think this question is very difficult for you, but my videos on the YouTube channel ISTQB Questions will help you figure this out, and you will definitely pass the ISTQB Certified Tester Advanced Level Test Analyst exam. Never give up!